For the past 3 years, I've written code almost every single day consistently, without fail. And to be exact, 943 days. No, like, seriously, look.
Nah, I was not joking, bruh. It's been 943-ish days.
And many of my friends ask me like, hey, how should I learn how to code, or can you teach me how to code? So I thought I'd make a video that compiles everything I've learned in the past almost 950 days of learning how to code into one short video. Beginning with the first point, lower your expectations. I had this problem and I still have it today. As someone who's a perfectionist about the stuff that I make, this was actually pretty difficult for me to overcome, but it will save you in the long run. Start small and don't try and build another Google. I tried. If you're going into this thinking, I'm gonna get a job at Fang, or I'm gonna build $1 billion SaaS company in like the first 6 months, that's just not happening. All those videos that you've seen who say, get a job at Fang in 6 months, or build a SaaS product in 6 months, they're all essentially trying to sell you to a course. Going from absolute beginner to doing either one of those things will take at least a year, if not longer. The second thing I learned was show up. If you don't show up every single day, you can't expect to learn how to code. And this was proven to me because in the past 8 to 9 months, I've learned more about code and software than I have in the past 2 years. The final thing I learned was look at the big picture. In many cases, as a beginner, you might have one tiny little bug that you can't fix for the life of you. And this happened to me as well. A lot of the times when this did happen, I would just quit the entire project. I never looked at the full big picture. I never looked at what I'd done in the past week or the past month. I would just quit. Instead of quitting, work on maybe a different part of the project, or just like go and watch Netflix and relax for a bit, and then come back to the project and you'll probably be able to solve it. But quitting, that just doesn't help at all. And to help you with your journey to learn how to code, I've listed a bunch of free resources in the description that you can go and check out. Some of the resources include websites like W3 Schools or Geeks for Geeks. I also listed some awesome YouTube creators like Fireship and Developer Philip down there. And there will probably be more stuff as well. But that's been it for me, so see ya.